Hello friends, I'm Chi. Hope you guys are doing well today. Guys, who are you trying to impress by using aphrodisiacs? Guy, enhancers, right? You want to perform like machine, 6 hours, 8 hours. Guys, help yourselves. When you go to the hospitals, if you see the number of guys, men in dialysis, kidney failure, liver failure, name it all failures, heart, oh, what is the problem? You guys want to enhance your performance, taking all these substances, Viagra, different types. Some of you even do mixtures of these things because you want to conquer the girl. You want to show her that you can ride her for hours and pipe the hell out of her, right? You want to pipe the hell out of her. Some of you even want to make sure that you target the womb and pull it out with your, you know, machine, if possible. You know, you want it strong, that it cannot be bent, right? That's why you go for these things. Let me tell you, if you keep taking these things, at the long run, it will start damaging your system. It's not meant to be like an everyday lifestyle. Some of you take it every month, every week. Some of you are married. You want to prove to your wife that you are still that strong man. Because some of you, you want to use and please your woman. Because she's complaining, oh, you cannot even last long. Just 2 minutes, you are finished. 3 minutes, you are finished. 1 minute, you are out. Some seconds, you have poured out. What's it? What's it? So some of you feared that other guys out there will take away your woman. That's why you go take these aphrodisiacs, to use it to pipe the hell out of her, right? You want to pipe her hard in a way that she can never think of any other person except you. But think of your kidneys, your liver, your heart. Dialysis, you don't want to go there. People that are already taking it are suffering. Who will donate his or her kidney to you or liver when it starts failing or damaged completely? Who will do that? Do you think that your girlfriend or your wife will donate her own kidneys to you? Liver, heart? Do you think that there are people out there that are willing to do these things for you? So why are you living a reckless lifestyle? Just to get this satisfaction, to make her be with you? You are risking your own life without knowing it. Some of you, it will not start now. You'll be like, what this guy talking about? Some of you, it will start showing after 5 years, 10 years. Even maybe when you're in your 50s, 40s. Then you start getting the consequences of the lifestyle you lived. Yeah, some of you say it's not only aphrodisiacs, also alcohol can cause it. Yes, I agree. Alcohol can also cause it, but this one too is part of it. So why don't you stay away from everything that can damage your kidney or liver, even your heart? Smokers, you can even get cancer, destroy your body just because of satisfaction. You want to pipe. Let me tell you, if you marry a virgin or you are dating a virgin, you are the first experience that she will ever have. Everything she will know will come from you. So she won't even know whether you are doing it well or you are doing it bad. She won't even know whether you're supposed to last 1 hour or 2 hours or even 10 minutes, 15, 30 minutes. She doesn't know. You are the first experience. Whatever you give to her is what she will take. Just that these days, the internet have corrupted a lot of people, both men and women, girls. They watch these things, they're like, even friends tell them, if your guy cannot pipe you up to 1 hour, he's not a man. 30 minutes, 2 hours, he's not a man. Any 2 minutes guy, 3 minutes guy, 5 minutes guy is not a real man. Go for guys that can pipe you well. That's what they learn from the internet, adult content. Even their friends tell them. So go for virgins. You will be the first person, they will experience person to pipe it and educate them. They will just know you as the best unless they start cheating. They will test other guys and now know that maybe you're not performing well. But let me tell you, God has given you according to your strength. You have been programmed that way. If you're lasting 5 minutes, 10 minutes, that is who you are, or 30 minutes. And again, change your lifestyle. Too much alcohol, sugary things can make you not to function well. Eat a lot of fruits and vegetables, and then you will function very well. Eat fruits and vegetables. Take nuts, groundnut, cashew nut, all types of nuts. It will help it will help you a lot. Pump a lot of blood down there. And then you see yourself performing well. Just abstain from anything sugar, alcohol. Stop those lifestyle. Eat proteins. If you must take carbohydrate, add a lot of proteins and vegetables. All these things will help you. Drink a lot of water, do exercise. You will see your performance start stepping up. That is the natural way, right? So guys, don't do these things to please any girl. A girl that will still leave you will leave you. If you like, pipe her for 1 hour, 2 hours. If she want to disrespect you, she will do. If she wants to misbehave, she will do. If she wants to cheat, she will cheat. You know, she wants to deal with you, she will do it. So it's not about performance. Have good character, behave well, make good money. Every girl will love you, whether you can pipe well or not well. So long as you have good character, good behavior, you are respectful, you know how to take care of a woman, she will be there with you. You know? Come on, come on, come on. Because if anything happens to you, you see those girls, those ladies, your wife, they will still leave you. You die today, they will go ahead and marry another man or start dating another guy. The same person you are trying to satisfy. Go and check all those guys in dialysis machine, going for dialysis every week, every day, every month. Go and check them. Most of them, their girlfriends have left them. Most of them, their wives have started piping other guys out there to get that satisfaction. They pushed you into it. Your friends talked you into it, and you are doing it. Think of the consequences. You are swallowing a lot of substances to enhance your performance, which will destroy you later. Be careful. Those things are not meant for long-term use. Okay? You are damaging something in your body. All medicines are toxic in nature. They have properties that can destroy you if you abuse them for long. So get sense, okay? Get sense. You want to pull her womb off, right? That's why you want to enhance it to perform 6 hours, to pipe the hell out of her so that she will faint. If possible, she'll be crying and be begging you to stop. That's what you want. You want to prove to her that you're a strong man. Even some ladies even know when you are using a substance to enhance yourself. They know that you're not real. But let me tell you what girls want. They want guys with the real money. Even if your stuff is small or big or long, so long as the money is there, you have good, you can take care of her, she will be with you forever. She won't even think of cheating. And you know, some of these girls have used all these toys to enlarge their, PRVT parts. Long ones, big ones, and they can use those toys to pipe themselves so well, even 1 hour, 2 hours. Release a lot of orgasms, squirt. And they start wanting you to perform like how they do it with that dildo. You are human. You have your limits as a man. Even as you are aging, you have your limits, okay? As you are aging, there's a limit you can go. When you are still young, you can pipe for long, even 3, 4, 5 girls at a go. But once you start aging, your performance starts going down. Come on, so please learn, guys, learn. Don't let these girls push you into these things. Don't let these wives of yours push you into these things. You drink a lot of things, swallow a lot of medicines just to perform well. And you're destroying yourself. It's all right. I'm out of here. I am cheap. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel, and tell me your thoughts in the comment section. I'm out of here. Bye. One love.